Children, welcome to your GK class. So this video is for class 7 students, and today we'll be doing page number 58 from your GK book, and the topic is swimming. So we will know something about swimming. So let's begin, children. So here you can see swimming. The players out here, they are the swimmers and they are swimming. Swimming has been a part of the Olympic schedule since the very first modern Olympic Games in 1896. It's one of only 4 disciplines to have been retained, appearing in every Summer Olympics, since the others been athletics, artistics, gymnastics and fencing. So this is the only game which is recognized even in the Olympics since the first modern Olympic Games in 1896, and it's only one of the 4 disciplines to have been retained, which is appearing in every Summer Olympics. Next, we will talk about the marathon swimming, which is the longest swimming event on the Olympic program, covering 10 km in open water. Lasting around 2 hours, the race tests swimmers' endurance and is often decided by tenths of seconds. So this is about the marathon swimming, which is the longest, and it is of covering 10 km in open water. Next, we will talk about Matthew Webb. So here you can see Matthew Webb. So he has made a world record. Matthew Webb, a 27-year-old merchant navy captain, becomes the first known person to successfully swim the English Channel. So he is Matthew Webb, who had made a world record and who was a merchant navy captain, and he had made a record of swimming successfully the English Channel. Captain Webb accomplished the grueling 21-mile crossing, which really entailed 39 miles of swimming because of tidal currents, in 21 hours and 45 minutes, and his time record was 21 hours and 45 minutes to swim the whole English Channel. So this is Matthew Webb, old merchant navy captain. Next, we will talk about the strokes in swimming. So there are 4 strokes in swimming. The first one is the breaststroke, second one being the backstroke, third one being the butterfly stroke, and the last one is the freestyle stroke. So these are the 4 different strokes in swimming. Next, we will talk about a very famous swimmer, Michael Phelps, and he is an American swimmer. Michael Fred Phelps too is an American former competitive swimmer. He is the most successful and most decorated Olympian of all time, with a total of 28 medals. Phelps also holds the all-time records for Olympic gold medals in individual events, and Olympic medals in individual events. So he is the one who is holding a maximum number of medals in swimming, that is 28 medals. He is Michael Phelps. Next, we will talk about swimming, which is a sport at every modern Summer Olympics. It has been open to women since 1912. It has the second largest number of events after athletics. Next, we will talk more on swimming on Katie Ledecky. So here you can see the picture of Katie Ledecky. Who is she? Kathleen Genevieve Ledecky is an American competitive swimmer, having won 7 Olympic gold medals and 15 World Championship gold medals, the most in history for a female swimmer. She is considered one of the greatest female swimmers of all time. Ledecky is the world record holder in the women's 400, 800 and 1500 meter freestyle long course. She also holds the fastest ever times in the women's 500, 1000, 1500 and 1650 yard freestyle events. So this is about the famous swimmer Katie Ledecky. Now we will talk on exercises, children. Whatever details we have learned till now, from that we'll be doing the exercises. Number 1, swimming has been a part of modern Olympic Games since the first one in 1896. The answer is true. Second one, the longest event in Olympic swimming is 20 kilometers long. It is false because it is only 10 kilometers, the marathon. Number 3, Captain Matthew Webb was the first person to swim across the English Channel. True. Number 4, there are 4 basic swimming strokes that are recognized in competitive swimming. True. Number 5, Mark Spritz of USA has won the most gold medals in the Olympic swimming competitions. This is false because it was Michael Phelps. Number 6, USA has won the most Olympic medals in swimming. It is true because it is Michael Phelps who has won the most number of medals and he is from America. So this statement is correct. True. Number 7, at the Summer Olympics, swimming has the second largest number of events after athletics. True. The answer is true. Katie Ledecky of USA broke the 400 meter and 800 meter freestyle records at the 2016 Olympics. The answer is true. So with this we are coming to the end of today's class, children. This much for today. Thank you, children.